Good morning, class 7. So you have received your timetable schedule for the examination, our periodical tests, as well as you have the syllabus of each and every subject. So today we'll revise chapter 5, lines and angles, which is in our syllabus of PT, periodic test. Let us first understand adjacent angles. Two angles such that they have one common arm and they have a common vertex. So angle AOB and you have angle BOC. In both the angles, vertex is point O, which is common to them, and ray OB is the common arm. So any two angles having same vertex and one common arm, such angles are called adjacent angles. Okay? In open figures. In closed figures, say if you have a parallelogram A, B, C, D. So this angle and this angle, they are adjacent angles. They don't have common vertex, but they have a common arm. Angle DAB and angle CBA. They have one common arm AB, but they don't have common vertex. Why? Yet they are called adjacent angles because they are in a closed figure. Open figure में ऐसा नहीं होता है. In open figure, two angles are called adjacent if they have common vertex and one common arm. The vertex should also be common. Next, complementary angles. Any two angles when sum of their measure is 90 degrees. Such angles are called complementary angles. Suppose this is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees. So these two angles, angle AOB and angle COD, they form a pair of complementary angles. They form a pair of complementary angles. Any two angles such that their measure, is 90 degrees. Sum of their measure is 90 degrees. Such angles are called complementary angles. They can have common vertex. Two adjacent angles can also form a pair of complementary angles. Like AOB and BOC, they are adjacent angles, yet they form a pair of complementary angles. Okay, so you can have different types of complementary angles. Next comes supplementary angles. Any two angles such that sum of their measures is 180 degrees. They are called supplementary angles. Pair of supplementary angles. Suppose I have angle AOB which measures 45 degrees. I have another angle, angle COD, that measures 135 degrees. Sum of their measures, 135 plus 45 is how much? 180 degrees. So angle AOB and angle COD, they form a pair of supplementary angles. It is a pair of supplementary angles. इसी में क्या होता है? Addition to this, suppose we have a pair of adjacent angles which are also supplementary. This is 35 degrees, this is 45 degrees, this is 135 degrees. They are angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Why? Because their vertex is common O and they have one common arm OB. They are adjacent angles. Also, they form a pair of supplementary angles. तो क्या होता है? When you have a pair of adjacent angles, which is also a pair of supplementary angles, then together they are called as pair of linear pair of angles. लीनियर, द वर्ड लीनियर कम्स फ्रॉम लाइन. अब क्या होता है, AOC एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बन जाएगा. यू नो वेरी वेल 180 डिग्रीज इज द स्ट्रेट एंगल. स्ट्रेट एंगल मींस 180 डिग्रीज को स्ट्रेट एंगल बोलते हैं, 90 डिग्रीज को राइट एंगल बोलते हैं, ठीक है ना. 360 डिग्रीज को कंप्लीट एंगल बोलते हैं. 180 डिग्रीज मींस स्ट्रेट एंगल बिकॉज इट फॉर्म्स ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, राइट. सो जब पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट एंगल्स सप्लीमेंट्री भी हो तो सच ए पर्टिकुलर पेयर इज कॉल्ड एज linear pair of angles. Okay, so I hope you understand. तो अगर मैं आपको कोई भी एंगल दे दूं और मैं आपसे पूछूं कि उसका सप्लीमेंट्री पेयर का मेजर कितना होगा, यू कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द गिवन एंगल फ्रॉम 180 डिग्रीज. ठीक है ना. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, पैरेलल लाइंस एंड ट्रांसवर्सल. एनी टू पैरेलल लाइंस, सपोज दिस इज ए लाइन N, there is another line N. Line L is parallel to line M. There is another line N which intersects these two lines. It is intersecting line L as well as line M. It is intersecting. So these are the points of intersection. ठीक है जी. So line N is the transversal. It is a transversal. Whenever a line intersects a pair of non-intersecting lines या parallel lines, such a line is called as transversal. अब वो दोनों लाइंस को इंटरसेक्ट करना है तो दो पॉइंट्स पे, हर पॉइंट पे चार एंगल्स फॉर्म हो रही हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 फॉर्म हो रही. सो बिफोर वी कम टू दिस, वी नो whenever two lines intersect with each other, they form vertically opposite angles. दो पेयर बनते हैं, angle 1 and angle 2 is a pair of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite means their vertices they face each other. अगर इनको आप अलग कर दोगे, so this is angle 1, this is the vertex, this is angle 2, this is the vertex of angle 2. So they are vertically opposite angles. So when two lines intersect, two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed. Angle 3 and angle 4 is another pair of vertically opposite angles. And what do we know about vertically opposite angles? They are always equal. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. ठीक है ना. अच्छा, अब एक बात और नोट करो, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स में सपोज these two lines are intersecting. This is line AB, this is line CB. They are intersecting at point O. AOC. Suppose this is an acute angle. We know that AB is a straight line. तो AOB will be a straight angle 180 degree. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 150 degrees. So if this is 30, it's vertically opposite. This will also be 30 degrees. If this is 150, it's vertically opposite. This will also be 150 degrees. Okay. So when two lines intersect each other, so one of the pair of vertically opposite angles, if it is acute less than 90 degree, definitely the other pair will be obtuse. It will be more than 90 degrees. क्योंकि तभी तो उनका सम 180 बनेगा. तभी उनका सम 180 बनेगा, राइट. सो दिस वाज अबाउट वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. अब यहाँ क्या होता है, पैरेलल लाइंस, ट्रांसवर्सल. तो बहुत सारे पेयर्स बनते हैं. करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स एक पेयर, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स 1 and 5 एक जैसे पैटर्न पे. 1 and 5 is a pair of corresponding angles. 2 and 6 is another pair of corresponding angles. 4 and 8 is another pair of corresponding angles. 4 and 8. Next 3 and 7 is another pair of corresponding angles. Okay. Now co-interior angles. Co-interior ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही साइड के और पैरेलल लाइंस के इंटीरियर जो एंगल्स होंगे, दे आर कॉल्ड पेयर ऑफ को-इंटीरियर एंगल्स. 2 and 5, 3 and 8, राइट. अच्छा, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स के बारे में हम क्या कहते हैं? दे आर ऑलवेज इक्वल इन मेजर. करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर equal in measure. Angle 1 will be equal to 5, angle 2 will be equal to 6, 4 will be equal to 8, angle 3 will be equal to angle 7. Corresponding angles will always be equal. Now what about co-interior angles? Co-interior angles are supplementary. They form a pair of supplementary angles. The sum of their measure will be 180 degrees. Angle 2 plus angle 5 will be 180 degrees. Next, angle 3 plus angle 8 will also be 180 degrees. So co-interior angles are always supplementary. Corresponding angles are always equal. इसके बाद और कौन सा पेयर होता है? Pair of alternate interior angles. ट्रांसवर्सल के इंटीरियर लेकिन ट्रांसवर्सल के अल्टरनेट साइड 2 and 8, 3 and 5. These are alternate interior angles. और इनकी क्या खास बात होती है? They are always equal. Angle 2 will be equal to its alternate pair of interior angle 8. Angle 3 का alternate pair of interior angle 5. 3 will be equal to angle 5. Okay. Next. Alternate exterior angle. ट्रांसवर्सल के alternate साइड लेकिन पैरेलल लाइंस के एक्सटीरियर 4 and 6 alternate angles 4 and 6. Next 1 and 7. इनकी भी क्या खास बात होती है? They are also equal in measure. Angle 4 will be equal to angle 6. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 7. So children, revise everything that you have in this particular chapter. Yet if you have any doubt, feel free to contact us. Okay.